Where can I park?
哪里能租车？
Where can I rent a car? Where can I rent a car? ？Where can I rent a car?
哪里能租摩托车？
Where can I rent a motorcycle? Where can I rent a motorcycle? ？Where can I rent a motorcycle?
哪里能买自行车？
Where can I buy a bike? Where can I buy a bike? Where can I buy a bike?
离这里最近的医院在哪儿？
Where is the nearest hospital? Where is the nearest hospital? Where is the nearest hospital?
我想去公园。
I want to go to the park. I want to go to the park. I want to go to the park.
电影院在哪里？
Where is the movie theater? Where is the movie theater? Where is the movie theater?
你想看电影吗？
Do you want to see a movie? Do you want to see a movie? Do you want to see a movie?
我想去购物。